Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through how to add your VitalSource eText link to your course shell in eConestoga. This ensures students can easily access their required digital textbooks that were included in fees directly from your course. Step 1. Log in to eConestoga. First, log into eConestoga and open the course where you want to add your eText link. Navigate to the content area where you'd like the link to appear. Instructors have loaded it into their course information module or into customized ones such as Start Here or Course Materials. Step 2. Create a new link. Click Add Existing Activities from the drop-down menu. Choose External Learning Tools. This is where you'll connect to the VitalSource platform. Step 3. Select VitalSource. From the list of available tools, select VitalSource Inclusive Access. This will launch the VitalSource interface inside eConestoga. Step 4. Verify the link. After adding the link, click on it to make sure it opens correctly. You should see the VitalSource Reader or Book interface launch. Please check the resource showing for accuracy. It is important to note that if you're doing this within a model shell, you'll see an error that there are no resources available for your course. Resources cannot be added to the link from a model shell. Please copy your model shell to the one for your section and test it there. Step 5. Provide student guidance. It's a good idea to add a short description explaining how students should use it. This helps improve clarity and accessibility. That's it. Your VitalSource eText link is now available in your course. Students can access their materials directly through eConestoga, making it easier for them to stay on track. Please note that while testing your link, you can claim a copy of the eText through this link. If this is your first time doing this, you'll need to create a VitalSource Bookshelf account. If you have any questions, please contact the campus store or eText support team.